When we're looking at buying our first home, there are a number of factors to take into account. But for now, let's just look at the financial side of things. And if we're looking at building a new home at $350,000 or buying an established home at $350,000, there are a number of different costs and advantages involved in each. If we're going to build our new home, we've got stamp duty on the land only, which is going to be around that $3,000 mark. We've got loan costs involved in purchasing the home as well. So our total amount that we need to purchase the home is $365,000. If we're going to buy that same house at $350,000 that's already built, then the stamp duty is going to be on the full amount, and that amount is going to be around the $13,000 mark. Our loan costs are going to be very, very similar, and so the total amount we need to build this home is $378,000. That's $10,000 more in purchase costs to buy established rather than build. Now, majority of banks will lend us up to 95% of the value of the property, which is $330,000 in both cases. But if we build our home, the South Australian Government will also give us a first homeowners grant of $15,000. That means that we've got $345,000 of our $365,000 all ready to go. When we're looking at buying that established home, we get no first homeowners grant on that, which means we've only got the $330,000 that's coming to us from the bank. So what that means is, to build a brand new home, we need that deposit or funds to complete of around $20,000. If we're looking at buying the same priced home established, we're going to need around that $48,000 to $50,000 to complete the same purchase.